How to send long and large size videos in Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google Drive on a device. Now tap on Home, tap on the plus icon. Now simply tap on Upload. Now upload the video. Now wait for some time. Now go to Files. Now tap on three dots for the video you want to share. Now tap on Manage Access. Now tap on Change. Now tap on Restricted. Now select anyone with the link. Now tap on the link icon at the top right corner. Now simply go back to the home screen and open up Messenger on a device. Now go to the chat. Now send the link and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.